Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's again Tom Sullivan. Guess what we're gonna be reacting to today? I don't think you have to guess because the title is already there. Yeah, Gabriel Enrique, one of my favorite artists that I've reacted to on this channel. I actually love his songs. I love the way he sings. He's a very good singer. If you've been looking for like a talented artist, just hold on, you're in the right place because Gabriel is gonna take you out of this world. I've not heard this particular song he did to cover. I am telling you I am not going, yeah, and I am telling you I'm not going, yeah, by Gabriel Enrique. I've not listened to his cover. This song was originally performed by Jennifer Hudson, yeah, but I assure you you're gonna love it when you hear Gabriel sings it. Trust me, like, trust me, I trust him 100%. So guys, let's get into this and see Gabriel Enrique's magic. If you're ready for someone that sounds like out of this world, someone that you won't believe your eyes, you're in the right place. Let's go guys. It looks a little bit
and I'm telling you I'm not going. You're the best man I ever know. There's no way I can ever go. No, no, there's no way. No, 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 no way I'm living without you. I'm not living without you. I thought wanna be free. I'll stay, and you're gonna love me.
Wonderful Jesus Christ. I forgot to say something. I forgot to warn you. Like, anytime I play his songs, I get scared. He has the highest pitch ever. So I get scared that he will break, but he doesn't break. Do you get? There's this, I don't know how, there's a way there's a part of me that just holds together, like, inside of me. It makes me, I cannot explain it. Gabriel is not a human being, no. This one is another breed entirely. I'm so proud of myself today because I picked like good songs all through, like good songs. The one person I was very sure would deliver is Gabriel Enrique today. You get, but every other person surprised me. They really shocked me. This guy, we're not ready for him. Or I don't know. I feel like, Gabriel, where have you been? Or where have I been? When is he having a concert? I want to see him perform live. I'd love to go. Like, I wish he would just come over this part of the world. Like, I would love to see him perform live. This is just unique. This is different. Wow. Okay. Gabriel being Gabriel Enrique. I'm surprised again, but not very surprised because I kind of expected it. But that's it. I love this song. This is like, I've listened to different people sing the song, like different covers of the song. This is the best, absolute best. After him, there's a little girl that performed the song years ago. I think that was the first time I heard the song on America's Got Talent, and she did amazing. But this, so after that time, I actually thought that no one could beat that, but this is good. I enjoy it more than the original song. Gabriel, you're gonna get in trouble if you keep singing better than the original songs. I don't know. Let me stop there before I start setting you up, but you're really good. I actually enjoyed it. I love it. Thank you so much for giving us a beautiful cover of And I'm Telling You. I love it. I'm not going, yeah, by Jennifer Hudson. I love it. I love it, guys. So yes, this is gonna be the last video for today. I actually enjoyed all my reactions. I can't wait to hear your comments. Can't wait to hear your thoughts on all the songs I've reacted to, and most especially this video right now, since I'm talking on this video. So give me your like, give me a subscription, don't forget to come back. And those of us that keep coming back, I love you so much. I see your messages, I try to respond to them. I actually appreciate the time you take to comment. It means a lot to me. It makes me really happy. And thank you for letting me know some things about the videos that I don't know about. And I'm like, oh, really? So when I read comment, I'll be like, oh, there's a comment I saw. Let me even read it out. It's talking about Anita Baker. Like, is this the first time you're hearing of her? Yeah. I love that comment. Yeah, the person is like, how is this the first time you're hearing of, oh, where is it? Yeah, there. Why is this thing acting up? Okay. I want to know how this is the first time you're hearing any Anita Baker song, let alone fairy tales. Don't blame me. Don't blame me. It's a part of the world I am in. We have like our own songs here that would really go around and would enjoy it. You get. So it's kind of just the way you don't hear songs from the side, all the songs from here. That's how it is. And also, I was, I think I wasn't born. Maybe I was really young when the song came out. So there's also that. Thank you for suggesting to me that I should listen to all her songs. I'm gonna be hypnotized. I'm actually gonna take you serious, and I want to wait. And then he said I should do Sade. Sade is a Nigerian artist. Yeah, I think I've heard one of her songs, but I can't really remember. But my husband loves Sade so much, and yes, I can't wait to listen to her songs. I'm just waiting for somebody to suggest one Sade song for me, and I will listen to it, and yeah, definitely enjoy it. So guys, thank you so much. Please come back. I would love to see you all again. Come back, come back, come back. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Love you all. Mwah.